Hello students. So in this class we are going to discuss about watershed management. So first of all, what is watershed? You see, rivers originate in streams and it flows down the mountains and hill slopes. So a group of small streams, in this picture as you can see there are many small streams. So a group of small streams it joins together to form channels that join the main river. So these channels are known as tributaries. These channels are known as tributaries. So the river along with the tributary, along with the land through which it flows is known as watershed. Now what is watershed management? The management of single unit of land with its water drainage system is called watershed management. That means how we are going to manage the entire land through which the river along with the tributary flows is called watershed management. So watershed management includes soil management, water management and developing vegetative cover. So you see clean water is a basic requirement for human beings. So to get a clean water, we should go for the water management. Not only water management, we have to conserve the soil, we have to plant trees. So everything comes under watershed management. Now, how to conserve the soil? Soil conservation can be done in the watershed by planting trees, or it can be done by digging trenches and mounds along the contours of the hill. So some hole can be made in the ground of the hill slopes where the rainwater can be kept for some time. So if we allow the rainwater to stand at a place for some time, the rainwater will percolate to the underground water, and as a result, the underground water will be recharged. We will have a greater volume of underground water. So this is one of the steps to conserve the, so to do the watershed management. Next is we can make nala plugs. Now what are nala plugs? Nala plugs are divergent from the streams. You have to cut down the stream which comes from the hill slopes and diverge the waterway so that an artificial channel can be formed. Artificial channel can be formed which ultimately will help in reducing soil erosion. It is also a way for water conservation, and with the purpose, with the help of this, we can use that water in agriculture also. So taking the management from all the aspects, soil management, water management and planting trees comes under the watershed management.